This brand keeps coming on my feed again and again and again. The performance marketing amount is quite high, I guess. So this is Blah Blee Blue. As you can see, this is the brand, and as soon as I saw the brand, I knew that this is a copy of a Korean brand called Born to Stand Out, BTSO. It is very well known for their unique creative perfumes and also their design, their branding. So if you can see, the branding is completely copied from BTSO or Born to Stand Out from Korean brand, and I was still ready to give it a chance because Dil Hai Hindustani. So I need to try the Indian brands as well. So let's try the perfume and I'll give you a feedback. Right now I ordered the Game Changer set. This Game Changer set has 6 different fragrances, and let me review quickly one by one for you all. This is Peaches, the first one. It says it has rose, orange and musk. It has a quite blast of alcohol that you can smell. As you can see, the price point is quite low, so I don't expect a very high quality perfume. But the alcohol smell that is very prominent is from the perfume, which I don't like in general. Maybe give it a time, settle it for 1 or 2 minutes. It might, work well. So let me try it again. This smells like a very vacation, but on the seaside or a lakeside, but not particularly aquatic. But it still feels very spring vacation. When you go for a vacation during springtime, this smells like that. This smells like, you're on a brunch at some Tuscany, Italy, and you would wear something like this. The second one I can see is Lights Off. So Lights Off says that it has passion fruit, caramel, and amber. This is a dupe of Arbapura, or maybe from the same DNA, because this smells exactly like Arbapura. I will not say this is a dupe, but this is somewhat from the same family. So yeah, this is a certified Arbapura. It has, as I told you, passion fruit, caramel and amber. I can't smell the passion fruit because passion fruit is quite tangy, if I may say so. But the passion fruit is quite less, but I can obviously smell the fruitiness that, that Arbapura has. The next one is this Love Drunk. I know this is a copy of Drunk Lover from BTSO. This is Drunk Lover meets Angel Share. Yeah, that's the DNA. It's a very winter fall fragrance which you can wear it at the night time during fall. The next one is Be My Cookie. Be My Cookie has berries, lilac and vanilla. Although I thought it would be a cookie fragrance, something like warm, chocolatey, something on those lines. But I think this is not one of those. Let's spray and see. Oh, I like this. Till now, this is one of the best. This is quite well done. This is this sweet, comforting gourmand, not the sugared or, very extremely sweet gourmand. Very powdery, floral and sweet at the same time because it has notes of berries, lilac and vanilla. I don't know about longevity, but initially there is no alcohol blast or there is nothing that is burning my nostril hairs. So this one is one of the good one. Let's try the next one. This is White Jazz. It has jasmine and tuberose, which is quite white floral. Yeah, it's Gucci Flora. This extremely white floral wedding, like a Christian wedding bride would wear this. The last but not the least is Hot AF. And this says it has blackcurrant lily and truffle. Hot truffle. Obviously, I can't smell much of truffle in this. Hot AF smells like she's the younger sister of White Jazz. That's it. Again, nothing interesting. It's quite boring. I think it is catered to Indian market because Indian market is based on quite likable scents, and the main idea is the longevity and projection of the scent. But end of the day, I think there are some hits and misses, but Be My Cookie is one of my favorite and I'm surely gonna order that. Okay guys, that was my review on Blah Blee Blue. I don't know if this name is kept when they were drunk or high on something, but yeah, this is the box that I got with 6 fragrances. I would say order a tester piece if you would like to order. I think the price is quite reasonable. It's not quite high, and you can redeem the amount once you buy the full size of the bottle, which I'm gonna do by ordering Be My Cookie. And rest all, I think Indian brand should start making something of their original rather than copying brand aesthetics from other international brands, because then you can put forward something internationally that you can say that that is originally yours, and not where people would point it out that this is a brand copied from some other country's brand. And still, I think it's good for business. I think money works in a way in India. It works, and it's good for the. I think the owner is from Bella Vita, so I get it where it comes from. I don't think so. The perfumery is core understanding of this brand, but it's basically just to cater to mass audience. And this was my review on Blably Blue. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.